man, it's not very much from 258,000. If they're a female, they're going to live longer statistically. Let me turn around here. Now, if they're a lot younger, like 10, 20 years, hey, I'm John Stevenson, the Guaranteed Retirement Guy. Thanks for tuning in today. I want to talk to you about a gentleman I just helped. He's 63, his wife is 55, and they want lifetime income from an annuity contract. And he's putting in $258,000. They're going to get $18,000 a year. You're probably looking at that and saying, man, it's not very much from $258,000, John. Usually you can get higher with some of those contracts. Yes, you usually can, but there's a big difference between him and his wife's age. He is 63. His wife is 55. And she's going to probably get income for 40 years. So you think about that and you tally up those numbers, she's going to get a whole lot of income. And that's what these insurance companies are looking at. They're not just looking at the older person, sure, but they're looking at the younger spouse. And they're looking at whether or not that spouse is a male or a female. And if they're a female, they're going to live longer statistically. So because of that, they're not going to give you as much because they're on the hook for 2 lives and the younger spouse is very young. So anyways, I wanted to talk about that because a lot of you are married, you want joint income, maybe your spouse is a lot younger than you, and you just have to be aware of that. Now, if they're a lot younger, like 10, 20 years, it might make sense to do a separate annuity contract for you and a single payout for your spouse. So 2 separate annuity contracts. So you don't have to do that, but that is just my recommendation for people when they have a huge age gap, is to use multiple annuity contracts to do that. So anyways, I'm out on the lake here. I'm in the Sierra Nevada mountains, and I am out at Upper Blue Lake. And I usually fish Lower Blue Lake, or I'll kayak around there with my kids, but this is my first time actually in the Upper Blue Lake. So I'm looking north here, and it's really pretty. It was a little windy when I first got here, but now it's pretty nice. So, which is great when you're doing a video and you're trying not to fall over in the boat. So anyways, I just want to talk about this particular couple because it's a joint payout. It's guaranteed income for the rest of their life. Yes, it may seem like a bit of a lower payout, but at the same time, it is also based on the younger spouse, and she is very, very young. And she's going to take income for a long time, and the insurance company knows this. And so if you want to know what annuity payouts are for you specifically, I would highly suggest that you go to my website, johnstevenson.com. If you go there, use my annuity calculators, you will see everything that is available. And then at that point, if you want to reach out to me, you certainly can. There's a link on my website there. You can book a call with me and we'll get on a Zoom and we'll chat about all things annuities. So otherwise, there's a link below this video and you can reach out to me there as well. So I'd love to help you buy an annuity. If that's what you're looking for, I'd love to help you. But if you do have questions, make sure you comment below. I'll answer them. Make sure you like, subscribe, share. I'm happy to do that as well. And let me turn around here so you can see more of the lake. It is a beautiful day. Absolutely beautiful. All right, that's all I got for today. We'll see you soon. Hey, I really appreciate you watching the video today. If any of it makes sense to you, or if you found value, or if you even got a question about anything, I hope that you'll go to the comments section and ask it. There's no stupid question, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you.